Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to prepare a delicious and aromatic dish, Lazi's Koverma Plov, or fried pilaf. Ingredients: 500 grams of beef or lamb, 2 cups of rice, 2 onions, 2 to 3 carrots, 1 whole garlic bulb, 150 milliliters of vegetable oil, salt, pepper, and cumin to taste, and 700 milliliters of water. Cooking steps: 1. First, rinse the rice well and soak it in warm water for 30 minutes. 2. In a pot, heat the oil and fry the meat until nicely browned. 3. Add chopped onions and cook until soft. Then add julienne carrots and fry for another 5 to 7 minutes. 4. Season with salt, pepper, and cumin, then pour in the water. Add the whole garlic bulb. 5. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Then carefully add the soaked rice on top. 6. Cover the pot and let it cook for 20 minutes. 7. Once the water is absorbed, gently mix the pilaf and let it steam on low heat for another 10 minutes. And that's it. Your flavorful and mouth-watering fried pilaf is ready to serve. Enjoy it with your loved ones.